What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So now here's the Compass app. If you're using the EMUI 8 or EMUI 9 phone, this is my Note 10. This is how the Compass app work. Where's the Compass app? I'm a Muslim. If you don't know, I need to pray every day 5 times a day. So I need to pray the West. So where's the West? Here is the North. So I can use, for example, like, okay, North is here, okay. Now you see here is the West. So I have to pray this one. I really like using this app a lot. I'm a Muslim. I need to pray West to the Kaaba. Thanks Huawei for providing me something really very useful. I love you Huawei. Bye.